Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Fall is here, you guys, and I want to use this video to show you my fashion mood, my fall fashion mood board, which I didn't title. Oh yes, I did. Call me my wardrobe fashion mood board. There's a reason for this, because I usually have very bold print, you name it. I love it. I'm going to give you the mood board and the fabrics, the color palette like I always do. I'm also going to give you a few things, extra things that I bought to prepare myself for fall. Okay. Fall fashion mood board has 5 items on it. It has a top, a skirt, another skirt, a paperback pants, and a hacked bodysuit. The silk skirt was inspired by Jadicted, and the bodysuit is inspired by Shein, but I'm going to hack a Seamwork pattern for it. I'm holding hands with Seamwork and Burdastyle. The fabrics, I got my fabrics from deviating, staple by now, and budgetstoffen.nl as well. But before that, I wanted to tell you about the color palette. So we have black, gray, eggshell, taupe, and burnt orange. First up, we got some stripes. You're getting scraps because I already made the project that I wanted to make with this. The next one is a stretch satin. Which side? This one. Also minimum stretch, but animal print is pretty in, and that is the reason why I chose this. It is, you know, the black, the gray, the white, just to tone down, calm down my wardrobe. We got the eggshell. Well, I call this eggshell a crew. It could be that you guys see it as another color, but in any case, it is one shade of beige. Don't know which one. I think this is a punte. This one is definitely one from Dries, and Dries. I think the next two that you're going to see is also from Dries. Stretch cotton fabric, animal print. Just, I mean, I said I was going to tone it down, calm it down, but it doesn't mean I was going to like have a dead wardrobe either. This one right here is also a jersey, a classic jersey is how they call it on their website. I already know I'm going to enjoy wearing this. Okay, and last but not least, this is a jogging fabric. It is by budgetstoffen.nl. It has just a sweat fabric on the outside and a little fleece on the inside. I've used this fabric before for the Oliver sweater from Seamwork. I have a video on it, as well as I'm going to insert a picture right there so you guys can check it out. And I mean, fall is not complete without a burnt orange, a terracotta, and green. So let's talk about what I have on my nails. This color right here, it is a dipping powder. If you know the process of Sky, you will also know this. This goes well with the brand. Fact is, this is much more inexpensive compared to Sky. I love it. The next thing is Obsession. Yes. I'm obsessed. I have it on my lips. It is a nude, but it's a beautiful one. For my hair, there's 2 things happening. I decided to buy the Male Mael Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I mean, I don't really have a lot of problem with growth, but extra strength is always good. And with the fall season starting, there's a lot of wind, there's a lot of rain, and I decided to have the maximum moisture that I can, and that is what I'm trying to achieve with KC by Care, and it is the Curl Essence Moisturizing Cocoa Water with Jamaican black castor oil, and coconut oil. That's this. What I'm using to have my tresses a little moisturized. Shea butter, whipped shea butter. I buy the normal ones just in a container, and I heat it up and then just whip it. And I use it for my body because otherwise by the time spring summer hit next year, I will be ashy. I also have these shoes. You guys know them from last year. I bought them last year for winter. They're coming back for the fall. I try to have as least amount of waste as possible and try to change my stuff around so I have them for more than one season. I'm excited about my fashion mood board, my fall fashion mood board, calming everything down. We're ready, guys. We're ready. I'm just going to tell you, I'm not sure if you're going to get a video every week, but you're definitely going to get one every other week because I got stuff going on. These little things just makes me be like, oh, forget the weather. As long as I look good and I feel good, who cares if it's raining or 50 shades of gray outside? It don't matter. That's what I try to do. And we're doing that by buying stuff that makes us happy, creating stuff that makes us happy, and try to edit this thing that doesn't make me that happy. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.